all in SGI online class, and this is your biology class. Students, today we are going to discuss the exercise of chapter 6, that is nervous system. And this chapter we already finished in our last video. Today we are going to discuss the exercise of this chapter. So let's start. First is the multiple choice question, and the first question is the message that travels along a nerve is called. कोई भी मैसेज which is travel from the sense organ to the brain or from the brain to the sense organ are in the form of the impulse. जो भी मैसेज सेंस ऑर्गन से ब्रेन तक जाता है या ब्रेन से मसल्स तक आता है उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? दैट इज कॉल्ड इम्पल्स. सो द आंसर ऑफ द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज द इम्पल्स. नेक्स्ट सेकेंड नंबर stimuli may be. So stimuli is the environmental change. Environmental change may be internal or external. So we can say that stimuli may be internal or external. And the right answer is external and internal. Next, question number third. Nervous system in human consists of. In human, nervous system consists of three things, that is brain, spinal cord and nerves. So these are the basic things. These are the things which consist the nervous system. एक nervous system में ये तीन चीजें होती हैं. Next, memory and intelligence are controlled by. Students, you know that brain is our control center. It controls all the activities, and brain has three parts, that is cerebrum, cerebellum and medulla oblongata. So the activity means memory and intelligence are controlled by the cerebrum, which is the largest part of the brain, and the right answer is the cerebrum. Cerebrum controls the memory and intelligence. Next is the fifth question. Heartbeat and breathing are controlled by. So heartbeat and breathing are the involuntary actions which are controlled by the medulla oblongata, which is also known as brain stem. So the right answer is medulla oblongata. It controls the involuntary actions like heartbeat and breathing. Next is the FIB. Fill in the blanks. And the first question is basic structural unit of the nervous system is the basic structural and functional unit of the nervous system is the neuron. Neuron, or we can say nerve cell. Neuron को हम nerve cell भी कहते हैं. This is the basic structural and functional unit of the nervous system. Second question, central nervous system consists of dash and dash. So in central nervous system there are two parts, that is brain and spinal cord. ब्रेन एंड स्पाइनल कॉर्ड दो पार्ट्स होते हैं सेंट्रल नर्वस सिस्टम के. नेक्स्ट इज द अ न्यूरॉन कंसिस्ट ऑफ neuron. A neuron has three parts, that is cyton, dendrites and axon. Cyton is also known as cell body. Axon is also known as tail. So the three parts of the neuron is the cyton, dendrites and axon. Next is the peripheral nervous system consists of. Question number 4. The neuron carrying impulse from the brain to the muscles are called. The neurons which carry the impulse from brain to the muscles are called motor neuron. Answer is motor neuron. Motor neuron carry the impulse from the brain to the muscles. Next, fifth number, peripheral nervous system consists of. Peripheral nervous system consists of the nerve which is arising from the brain and spinal cord. And the nerves which arise from the brain are known as cranial nerves, and the nerves which arise from the spinal cord are called spinal nerves. So, peripheral nervous system consists of cranial and spinal nerves. Next is the sixth number. The three main parts of the brain are. Brain has three parts, that is cerebrum, cerebellum, and medulla oblongata. These are the three parts of the brain. Next is the true false, and the first question is each neuron consists of three parts. First is cell body, cyton and axon. Yes students, neuron के three parts होते हैं, that is cyton, axon and dendrites. But here is a cell body, cyton and axon. Cyton and cell body is the same. Cell body को ही हम cyton कहते हैं. यहाँ पे dendrites नहीं दिया हुआ है. That's why this statement is false. तीन parts तो होते हैं, but not the cell body, cyton and axon. This is the cyton, dendrites and axon. ये तीन parts होते हैं. Next is that the largest part of the brain is the cerebrum. Yes, the largest part of the brain is the cerebrum. So this statement is true. Third number, the cerebellum maintains balance of the body. So cerebellum is also part of the brain which maintains the balance of the body. जो कि क्या करता है, बॉडी की बैलेंसिंग को मेंटेन करता है. यस, दिस इज द फंक्शन ऑफ द सेरिबेलम. सो दिस स्टेटमेंट इज ट्रू. ये स्टेटमेंट भी क्या है, ट्रू है. नेक्स्ट इज द देयर आर 31 पेयर ऑफ क्रैनियल नर्व्स. स्टूडेंट्स, क्रैनियल नर्व्स आर ऑफ 12 पेयर्स. स्पाइनल नर्व्स आर ऑफ 31 इन पेयर. स्पाइनल नर्व 31 होती है पेयर में, क्रैनियल नर्व्स 12 पेयर में होती है. सो दिस स्टेटमेंट इज फॉल्स बिकॉज देयर आर 31 पेयर्स ऑफ क्रैनियल नर्व्स. नहीं होती हैं, 12 होती हैं, इसलिए ये स्टेटमेंट फॉल्स है. सो नेक्स्ट इज द फाइंड द ऑड वन आउट बाय गिविंग रीजन. एंड द क्वेश्चन इज एक्सॉन, सेल बॉडी, डेंड्राइट एंड सेरिबेलम. द ऑड वन आउट इन दिस, find odd one out. And the question is axon, cell body, dendrites and cerebellum. The odd one out from these is the cerebellum. Why? Because axon, cell body and dendrites are the parts of the neuron nervous system. Okay? But this cerebellum is the part of the brain. ये जो axon, cell body and dendrites are the parts of the nerves or neuron, but cerebellum is the part of the brain. That's why the cerebellum is the odd one out. And next is the define the following term. First is response. Actually response is the behavior of an organism against or against to the stimuli. Response क्या है, किसी भी organism का behavior है against the stimuli. Stimulus, so stimulus is the environmental change. It may be internal or external of an organism, that is stimuli. Next is nerve impulse, the message which brings or which goes to from the sense organ to the brain or from the brain to the muscles are known as impulse. Receptor, the organs which receive messages from the stimulus is known as receptor. For example, sense organs. Sensory neurons, the neurons which carry impulse from the sense organ to the brain are known as sensory neurons. For example, optic nerve of the eye. Motor neuron. Motor neuron, the neuron which carry impulse from brain to the muscles are known as motor neuron. और इफेक्टर एफरेंट नर्व्स, और मोटर नर्व्स को हम एफरेंट नर्व्स भी कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल द मसल्स विच गोज टू द आईज. नेक्स्ट इज द न्यूरॉन. Neuron is the basic structural and functional unit of the nervous system. Next is the voluntary actions. The actions which are performed, which are controlled by our brain, are known as voluntary actions. These actions are depend on our willpower. For example, riding a bicycle, reading, dancing. These are the voluntary actions. Next is the reflex action. Reflex action are the autonomic, quick, and sudden response. We can say that reflex actions are controlled by our spinal cord. The actions which are controlled by our spinal cord are called reflex actions. These are the sudden actions, quick actions, automatic response. For example, pulling away our hand when you touching a hot object. This is example of reflex action. So student, next is the answer the following question. I will give you the PDF along with this video, so you can easily note down all these exercises in your notebook with the help of the given PDF. Okay students, thank you students, have a nice day.